Do you ever feel like every stock you buy immediately goes down, or maybe you knew you should have sold, but didn't? And now that loss turned into something much bigger. Here's the truth. Investors don't want to hear. It's not that the market that's costing you money. It's your emotions. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple trading plan that removes that emotion and helps you understand when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. Because at the end of the day, big emotions, they equal big losses. Let's talk about what's really going on. A lot of investors are picking losing trades, averaging down, holding too long, and feeling like their portfolio is stuck. And over time, that leads to frustration, anxiety, and inconsistency. The real fear that those small mistakes turn into bigger losses over time. But what do you actually want? Consistency, confidence, progress towards your financial goals, and most importantly, a portfolio you feel in control of, because if nothing changes, you stay stuck in emotional cycles. But if you fix it, you gain clarity, discipline, and long-term success. Because successful investors don't rely on feelings. They rely on a plan. Every trade needs a blueprint. There's a quote out there that I love. A goal without a plan is just a wish. And that's exactly how most people invest. They hope a stock goes up, but they don't actually have any kind of plan. Think about an architect building a house. They don't just show up and start building. They define where it starts, where the project is going, and what happens if something goes wrong. Investing should be no different. Define the exit before the entry. Most investors focus on buying, but the real question is, what happens if you're wrong? Because losses aren't the problem. Uncontrolled losses are. They can pile up, and having a clear plan for when to sell protects your capital, removes hesitation, keeps emotions out of it. Discipline beats emotion every time. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent, because emotions, they will tell you, give it more time, it'll come back. But discipline, they tell you, follow the plan. What does that actually look like in practice? Let me show you how we do it here at VectorVest. Inside the Market Launchpad, the home page is built around the three core components of a trading plan: when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. Everything is structured to guide your decision making in that order. First, when to buy. This is all about timing. Instead of guessing, instead of chasing, you are looking for confirmation. Is the market supportive? Is the stock market moving in the right direction? This helps you avoid jumping in too early or at the wrong time. Next, what to buy. This is where stock selection comes in, focusing on high quality companies, strong fundamentals, consistent performance. So you're not just buying hype, you're buying strength in some of the best stock candidates in the market. And finally, when to sell. This is where most investors struggle, but here the plan is already defined. You know when to take profits, when to cut losses. So you're not making emotional decisions in the moment. That's the key. And at that point, you're not reacting to the market. You are following a process. Think about two investors. One buys based on emotion, holds through losses, hopes things turn around. The other investor knows when to buy, knows what to buy, and knows when to sell. One reacts, the other executes a plan. So here's what I want you to do next. Start by building your own trading plan. We've put together a free trading plan worksheet to help you clearly define when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. So you're not just guessing anymore. You're making decisions with intention. And if you want to see how this looks in a real system, I suggest trying the Market Launchpad. It walks you through the same process, step by step, when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. So instead of reacting emotionally in your portfolio, now you can follow a structured approach. Remember, the goal isn't to be right every time. It is to manage risk, stay consistent, and let your winners grow, because in the market, emotional investors lose money. But investors with a plan, they give themselves a real chance to win. So stop trading on emotion and start trading with a plan. I'll see you in the next video.